Jergens is an amazing, beautiful lotion. But the issue there is that it has a lot of counterfeits. If you're not careful, you might end up getting one of them. In this video, I'll be showing you how KAO Corporation, the owner of Jergens, has been able to successfully show us how to spot the fake from the original. And they are using the Nigerian made Jergens or the foreign made Jergens. So please watch this video till the end. Hello, my name is Damola. You're watching here for the first time. Hit the subscribe button, turn on post notification, like this video, and please do share this video. Jergens has different types of lotion depending on your skin type, depending on your skin condition or your skin color. You know, there is Jergens Skin Feminine, there is Jergens Ultra Healing, there is Jergens Enriched Shea Butter, there is Jergens Hydrating Coconut, you know, there is Jergens Nourishing Honey, there is Jergens Original Scent. They have a lot for foreign made Jergens. Then for Nigerian made Jergens, they have papaya Jergens, they have natural fairness Jergens, they have carrot Jergens, they even have ultra healing Nigerian made Jergens. They have a lot. Now, if you're someone that you have been using Jergens for a while and it is a Nigerian made and it's working for you, fine. If you're someone that you've been using the foreign made Jergens and it's working for you, fine. I'm going to share my own little experience here before I give you guys 6 ways at which you can spot the fake Jergens from the original Jergens, all right? When I was in uni, I had a friend. Her name is Tola Beckley. Shout out to you if you're watching this video. I noticed that she has a very beautiful skin. Her skin tone is amazing. It's always looking flawless. Especially her leg, like always looking so good. I would ask her, Tola, what lotion do you use? And then she would tell me she uses Jergens. So one day I'm like, okay, I think I'm going to try this Jergens. And then I tried to get Jergens for myself too. And I noticed that 2 months gone, my skin tone is still the same thing. And I asked myself, is it the same Jergens Tola said I should buy that I went to go and buy? What is going on? I went back to Tola Beckley and then I asked her, what lotion do you say you use? Jergens. I use Jergens, Danny. And then she had to show me her own Jergens. And she told me they got this one from abroad. I knew totally that I had wasted my money. This is not the Jergens that Tola uses. This is different from the one I use. Apparently, it turns out I was using the Nigerian made Ultra Healing Jergens and she was using the foreign made Ultra Healing Jergens. Another experience I will share with you guys is that when I went out of recent, I saw a lady with a very nice skin tone, beautiful skin tone, glowing, good color, caramel color, beautiful color, everything rhyming. And I asked her, what lotion do you use? She said she uses Jergens. I'm like, which of the Jergens? She said, carrot Jergens. God, that is to say that it doesn't mean that because you're using the Nigerian made Jergens, it's not work for you. It might really work for you. So if you are using it and it's working for you, it's fine, it's all right. I'm not saying you should stop it. Please continue your lotion. But if you're one person that you just want to, go into using Jergens and you don't really want to go for, I would advise that you please use the foreign made Jergens, but please be careful. Foreign made Jergens is very good. You will get the giveaway inside the lotion. The result is magical, trust me. I'm sure those people that use Nigerian made Jergens, when they try the foreign made, they will drop that Nigerian made sharp. Now, let's go to how you can identify the fake from the original. The first thing you need to notice is this. Let's use original scent, for example. Original scent comes in 21 ounce size and it has an ovary pump. Anything aside that, maybe you're seeing a mustard gold color, you need to run. The ovary pump color has to be the same thing with the bottle. The color has to be the same, right? And it has to be an ovary pump. Does that make sense? Ovary pump, not another type. And please, when you're getting it, make sure your ovary pump is not already open, like looking long somehow than the way it should be. It shouldn't be looking long. Can you guys see what I have here? The picture I have here. It should not be looking long. You know when you want to open a pump, probably a cleanser or a lotion, it becomes longer than it was before you opened it. It should not be like that. Never. It should never be like that. It should just be like this. Okay? So look out for that, right? And let's now go to Ultra Healing. Since we have Nigerian made Ultra Healing and foreign made Ultra Healing, you guys all see how the Nigerian made Ultra Healing is clearly, different from the foreign made. Clearly different, right? So if you decide to say you want to go for the Nigerian made Ultra Healing because it is cheaper, all well and good for you, but I can guarantee you that you cannot get the result you want because I have used it before and I did not get any result at all. But it is very affordable, very affordable. Okay, The foreign made one comes in 10 ounce. Beneath the bottle of that ultra healing, check beneath it, you will see HDPE. Beneath it, check it, you will see HDPE. Guys, I need to, and let's just repeat myself so that we can make that clear. Now, the fake one would have NDPE. Can you guys see that it's a bit interwoven and mixed in? HDPE for the original one, NDPE for the fake one. So please be very careful. It looks the same, so it might be very hard for you to be able to, check the real from the fake. But please, all the things I'm mentioning, I hope it is going to be helpful to you guys, right? So HDPE for the original one, NDPE for the fake one. Please check beneath the bottle, all right? Another thing you need to check out, which is number 3, if you're trying to check for the real one from the fake one, is the smell. The smell is different. I know you're using the Nigerian made, the foreign made. The original foreign made jegging smells really pleasant. It smells very pleasant, and it is not a strong smell. It is not a strong smell at all. Number 4 is, guys, the texture of the lotion. Check the texture of this lotion. Is it watery? Jeggings should not be watery. It should not be watery at all. If your jeggings is watery, guys, please, you need to be very careful. Recheck again. Your lotion should not be watery. I will not say you should throw it away, but I will not say you should use it either. It should not be watery. Okay? Now, another thing is, does it absorb quickly? Does your lotion, your jeggings lotion, does it absorb quickly? If it does absorb very quickly, that means it is original. But if it doesn't absorb on time, it's taking forever for you to, rub it in. It's taking so long for you to get inside your skin. That means it is fake. That means it is not the real one. It is not the one by KAO Corporation. So you need to be very, very careful. This Jergens lotion, the foreign made, is very, very expensive. You cannot spend 15,000 naira or 18,000 naira on a particular lotion and then it is now fake. It is very painful, especially in this economy that we have. We need to be very, very careful. I hope I'm helping you guys, because it's not easy getting counterfeit products. I think I'm just going to be doing a lot of how to identify fake products from original product, because it is very, very painful. I don't want you guys to make any mistake of getting counterfeit products. When you are rubbing it on your skin, is it getting whiter or is retaining its color? If it is getting whiter, that means it is fake. If it's getting whiter, that means it is fake, guys. It is not original. It should retain its normal color. It should retain its normal color, not that it's getting whiter and it's really, really very hard for you to get into your skin. Watch out for all these things. And last thing but not least thing is, wherever you're getting your jeggings from, let it be from an authentic store. Let it be from an authentic store, please. Let it be from an authentic store, okay? And also check if you can see KAO Corporation anywhere. Let it be from an authentic store, please. When I mean check if you can see KAO Corporation anywhere, talking about on the body of the lotion. But you can see, we can waive that and just check out for all these things I've listed. For you guys. Please check out for that. Very, very important. I hope I've been able to help somebody who wants to get a jegging solution, right? If you find this video helpful, what are you still doing? Subscribe to this channel, turn on post notification, like this video, and please share this video to someone that might need it out there. Please share the video. Don't keep it to yourself. Don't keep this only to yourself alone. And if you want more of this kind of video, you need to just like this video. That is all I have for you guys for now. Many more to come. Don't forget to please subscribe to my channel, like my video, turn on post notification, and please do share this video. I love you guys. See ya. Bye.